Hello everybody, I am Sirisha from BITS Pilani Dubai campus. I will be talking about how keto diet reverses high-fat diet-induced metabolic impairments in preclinical rodent models. This research is done in collaboration with Ras Al Khaimah Medical and Health Sciences University.
Food is an important source of energy and is vital for body and brain functions. Nutrition is a fundamental determinant of physiological homeostasis, providing essential substances for growth and metabolism. A healthy diet consists of a balance of macro and micronutrients and are to be consumed in appropriate quantities. A little lack of nutrition or negligence can lead to multiple conditions like nutrition deficiencies, weakened immune system, poor growth and development, mental issues, reduced energy levels, and they can lead to increased chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. In this study, I will be focusing on a variations of macronutrients in a diet that can affect the health of an individual. A typical diet, a typical standard diet consists of 60 to 70% of carbohydrates, 20 to 25% of proteins, 2 to 3% of fat. A diet is considered as high fat diet when the amount of fat is more when compared to carbohydrates or proteins. Ketogenic diet is a diet where the carbohydrate amount is restricted and the fat amount is increased. In this study, I have formulated a 90% a 90% ketogenic diet, which is made up of 90% of fat. So once ketogenic diet has been given, a condition called ketosis has been established and beta hydroxy ketone bodies are formed. Beta hydroxybutyrate, acetoacetate are formed. These two substances acts as energy source replacing glucose, and they can cross the brain barrier and they can perform all the vital functions of the body. To fulfill the objective, three types of diets have been formulated: a standard chow diet, a high fat diet made up of 60% of fat, and a ketogenic diet which has been made from 90% of fat, 2% of carbohydrate, and 11% of protein. These diets were given to male Vista rats for a period of 10 weeks, and their morphological and biochemical parameters were evaluated. Morphological parameters like body weight, abdominal circumference, length of the animal were measured every week. Biochemical, clinically significant enzymes were evaluated before the diet treatment, during, and after the diet treatment. The blood samples were collected, serum was extracted, and from the serum, all the biochemical parameters were measured. Now, coming to the results, we can see that the ketogenic diet group has significantly reduced lost weight when compared to the other groups. Ketosis condition has been established based on the evaluation of beta hydroxybutyrate and glucose. Highest amount of beta hydroxybutyrate was seen in keto group when compared to the other groups, and glucose levels were reduced when compared to the other group. This shows that ketosis has been established. Well, coming to the biochemical parameters, cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL, and HDL, low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein were evaluated. And when we compare within the groups, high fat diet had highest amount of cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL, and HDL. Ketogenic diet was comparable to the chow diet in all the parameters. This establishes that ketogenic diet is comparable to the chow diet. This is the visceral adiposity. After the sacrifice, the abdominal area was visually taken a picture and shown here. We can see that visually fat has been accumulated more in high fat diet when compared to chow and ketogenic diet. Based on these results, it can be established that ketogenic diet helps in reducing the weight without affecting the health of the animal. By shifting the body fuels, the ketogenic diet has shown real benefits from weight loss to supporting therapies for chronic diseases. The future scope of ketogenic diet lies in personalized nutrition, medical applications, functional food innovations, and integration with digital health technologies. This particular research of mine has a future study of extrapolating the ketogenic diet to wound healing management. Thank you for viewing my presentation.